We're having a mandatory stopover, no? After more than 2 hours of driving from Chiang Rai going to Lampang. We are stopping over here, the 7-Eleven store in Payao. Payao. Ganda talagang maganda mag-franchise ng ang 7-Eleven. So this is the 7-Eleven store in Payao Central, Thailand. Malawak eh. I like yung city na vibe dito, no? Kasi yung kalsada, no? Hindi masyado magulo. Going there, no? So we'll be going Lampang. We'll be staying over in Lampang hopefully. Makabook kami. We're staying here for a break. So bumili kami ng hotdog, then coffee, 7-Eleven. Where's our hotdog?
Here.
The hotdog is here. Let us see the hotdog. So binili ko na hotdog is this one. Dalawang hotdog. Tapos lang tissue daw. Then the coffee is of course
What's the difference between
the
these two
standard
hotdogs? One is spicy and one is not.
standard na select 7-Eleven coffee. Init. Oh, palamigin muna natin. So what's your comment so far? Ha? Gaano kasarap yung hotdog? Tingnan natin yung hotdog. Ba't hindi maanghang?
What?
So we'll be ano to, pantarin nating aircon. We'll be staying in Lampang hopefully tonight. Then tomorrow we'll be going to Ayutthaya, no? Night before yung Sunday just 2-hour ride na to Bangkok, because Monday will be our return flight to Manila. Okay.